Good evening, afternoon, or morning. Welcome back to the Hill Project. And if it is your first time here, my name is Gigo. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do so. Like this video, share, so that someone will also learn. When we started with this project, this land wasn't this flat as you see now. It is on a hill, it was on a slopy land, but we managed to get it, flat so that we could achieve our aim. So that's what we did, and it is now time to put in all the necessary, measurements to keep this thing safe and strong. So if you have a project on the hill and you have a team already who is building for you, I think you might consider watching from the beginning to this stage so that you at least get an idea, how the work should go. So that if they're doing something different, you can also ask questions. You can show them this video, and maybe they might also learn one or two things or explain to you why they are doing it's differently. There are so many ways of
Yes,
building on a hill.
still ongoing. The roads have been straightened for the meshing, and also the floor are prepared. But it is raining now, so nothing you can do. And they have to remove the boarding from the concrete that have been cast. So everything is ongoing smoothly. It's getting harder. Eh? Then meaning if they break, you can't remove it. Hmm.
So the name of this project is the Hill Project, and you can go to my playlist. You look for the Hill Project, then you see how we started with this, this structure, this whole building. And I believe it might be of help to a friend or a family member who is about to buy a land on the hill, or a friend who already has a project on the hill, who wants to develop. This gives an idea, on what, it goes through. As you can see, there are some houses at the back. Most of them also have to go through this similar process, and you can learn a lot from this project because building on this kind of this nature of land requires a lot of reinforcement, of iron rods work, and you need an engineer to do this kind of job for you. This is just to let you know what you're getting yourself into. If you actually watch how we begin with this project, you know the challenges that we went through, with excavation and all kinds of stuff. So this is just to give you an idea, and it might be a help of friend. Like I said, it might help a friend make the right decision. Maybe a friend wants to buy on a hill. It might, just let a person consider, reconsider, and think, hey, do I really want to spend all this lot of money, on this kind of project? But it is a very good though. It is very nice if you have a project on the hill. It's very beautiful for the view. Maybe, just have a quarter plot or just a half plot, just build something small there. And, it's just for the view, it's just for the vibe and that kind of stuff. But this particular project is apartment, a 6 unit apartment, and that's what we're building here. So stay tuned to this project. We are moving fast. The owner is already ready with the 5,000 blocks, which we estimated for the first floor, which is the ground floor, which we've estimated. So that's also almost ready and it's coming up soon. So this is the beam that we did. As I said, we casted the base beams and we left the top bars so that we're going to connect with the mesh. So you see the nature of the land, the slope of the land. So that's what the guys are working on now. They are working on the mesh, to just for stability, and strengthen the whole foundation. So after that, we go for the concrete casting. They are also doing the plumbing work. As you can see, you could see some pipes which will be running through the different layers. It's 3 floors, so we have pipes running through all those levels to the top floor. As you can see, the sand are ready on the site, and this time we didn't go with a concrete mixture because there is no place for the concrete mixture to be, because it needs a lot of space and we have to bring a backhoe or excavator to bring it on site because you cannot push it. A normal vehicle cannot also not bring it on site. So the guys decided that they are going to help. The steel benders decided that they will help because they've been staying there for some time now. So they're also used to the environment and the neighborhood. And they decided that they're going to stay there and help, cast this foundation. So that will also come later in the video. And this is how far we've come, guys. This is how far we've come. It's not been easy, the challenges, but it's all teamwork. If you have a good team and they all have one mindset, that is the key. And that's what you need with your project, people that can work together. Just imagine a person has to get a sand all the way from the hill top, bring it down, and you could see the slope. Just one mistake and you will be all over the place, man. But congratulations to the team. I'm very proud, to have these young guys, on site and with the mindset, they work as a team. And I'm very happy. I'm very proud of them. And I would also like to give a big shout out to the owner of this project, Mr. Kwamina. We really appreciate your support and your help, for the team, for the flow of the work, which is more important. I've spent time with these guys on site and looking at the videos. I know they are very happy working at your site. They are still benders, but I see them, helping with other things like digging the trenches and helping with the concrete mixing. Normally they don't do that, but seeing them doing this, I can easily tell that they are very happy with the work, and it's all because of the flow of the work. When the work is flowing, when there's not so much pause in there, and they know that, hey, this week this is where we're working, they move to the place, they sleep there, and then they enjoy working at that place. So I would like to say a big thank you, for the support. And surprisingly, I have no contact with the owner of this project. It's just 3 emails we've sent to each other, and that is it. I don't have his WhatsApp number, you know, I don't have his telephone number. I've never heard of him, his voice. But when something, if any information, we always get in touch through email. And so far, it's been 3 emails that we've sent to each other. But then we always, get in touch on the comment section. Anytime I post a video of this project, he counts and he comments there, and that's how I interact with him. So if you have a project and you are looking for a team, to help you to achieve and bring that, dream house into life, you can consider, getting in touch with us. The only thing you have to do is to send me email and I'll forward the contractor's number to you or whoever you need that you want to work with in the team. It can be the steel bender, the plumber, the carpenter. Just let me know and I will send you the contact details, and that is all you need. You don't need me to help you with anything. Just in case maybe, yeah, you need an assistant, of course, I can be there to help. But trust me, these guys know what they are doing and you can manage them yourself. You can manage these people yourself. They've been in the industry before I even started building, so they know what they are doing. They know more than me. You understand? I only have, the Western experience. I know one or two things, and I also share it with them, and they also share whatever they know with me, and that's how we are growing together. So all you need from me is just email, and that is it. You can work with these guys yourself. They are friendly, they are easy, but we are human, so there might be one challenges, but it's just, it's just communication. You just have to talk, you just have to communicate, and yeah. And if you are still watching till now, I would like to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to each and every one of you who have been supporting, liking, sharing, especially the sharing. I was surprised to know how many people share my video in a week. It was amazing, man. I was really surprised. So thank you guys, thank you so much for the trust that you have, in us. Like I said earlier on, I really don't have contact with the people that we're building on the channel, all the projects that I'm sharing. I believe it is just the Tema project. I think he's the only one that I have his number and he has mine, and we do call and WhatsApp. Beside that, I don't remember having any telephone number of any subscriber that we are building at the moment that I have this project on the channel. And this is because you guys trust us so much, that I don't even have to be involved, in any of your projects. You guys take it upon yourself, and you can testify to it that whatever I say on the channel is what happens, with these guys. You don't need me. You don't need me. They know what they're doing. They know and they understand their work. So thanks for, the trust. And the guys are also happy anytime they watch the videos and they read the comments. They are always happy. And that's why they are not camera shy these days. I remember before, if I put camera on them, they are always shy. They don't want to be in there. But today they they don't mind dancing in the camera for you. They don't mind, doing all those kind of work. You see, they are young guys. As you can see, they are in their 20s and 30s. And in Ghana, most of the young guys, in this age range, don't want to be seen doing this kind of work. you know so seeing these guys, on camera laughing and even doing the extreme, something that they are not normally used to. These are the steel benders, these are the steel benders. We have our foreman on site who has the ratio for the mixing, and they are working as a team. And this was the dream. This is what I dreamt of, having a team, having a production group that we can work together. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's do it.